Clove. Clove is derived from the flower buds of the Syzygium aromaticum tree and has been a cornerstone of traditional medicine and culinary practices for centuries. This video delves into the health benefits, medical uses, cultivation, and culinary applications. Health benefits. Antioxidant powerhouse. Cloves are rich in flavonoids, phenolic compounds, and eugenol, which act as potent antioxidants. These compounds protect cells from free radical damage, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer, heart disease, and neurological disorders. Antimicrobial properties. Eugenol, the primary active compound in cloves, exhibits strong antiseptic, antibacterial, and antifungal properties. Research indicates that clove essential oil may boost the immune system by increasing white blood cell count. Blood sugar regulation. Clove extract has demonstrated insulin-like effects in regulating blood sugar levels. Consuming 1 to 3 grams of cloves daily for a month may help individuals with type 2 diabetes manage their blood glucose, lipids, and cholesterol levels. Liver health. The hepatoprotective properties of dried clove buds promote liver health by supporting new cell formation and detoxification. Active ingredients like eugenol and thymol provide protection to the liver. Anti-inflammatory and analgesic effects. The potent anti-inflammatory properties of cloves, particularly from eugenol, make them beneficial in managing conditions like arthritis and providing pain relief. Cardiovascular health. Cloves' antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties contribute to improved cardiovascular health by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, key factors in the development of heart disease. Medicinal uses. Oral health applications. Clove oil is renowned for its effectiveness in treating toothaches due to its natural anesthetic properties. The active ingredient eugenol acts as a numbing agent and has antimicrobial effects. Clove oil also shows promise in reducing gum inflammation and fighting oral bacteria, potentially supporting overall dental health. Immune system support. Clove tea or water may help boost the immune system. The antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties of cloves can act as a shield against seasonal ailments and infections. Regular consumption of clove lemon tea might strengthen your immune function, making you less susceptible to colds and flu. Digestive health. Cloves are used in traditional medicine to aid digestion. They may stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, alleviate bloating, and help relieve symptoms of indigestion. Some studies suggest cloves might help protect the stomach from ulcers, though more research is needed. Respiratory issues. In traditional Chinese and Indian medicine, cloves are used to address respiratory problems. The anti-inflammatory properties of cloves may help soothe respiratory tract irritation. While cloves offer numerous potential health benefits, it's important to use them in moderation and consult with a healthcare professional before using them medicinally, especially for specific health conditions. Cultivation. Climate and soil requirements. Clove trees thrive in humid tropical climates, from sea level up to 1,000 meters elevation, preferring average annual rainfall of 1,750 to 2,500 millimeters and temperatures between 20 degrees Celsius and 28 degrees Celsius. Deep, rich loams with high humus content are ideal for cultivation. Seed collection. Seeds are obtained from fully developed fruits known as mother of clove or mother cloves. The fruits should be ripe, typically dark red or purple in color. Harvest when the first fruits begin to turn from green to pink. Seed viability. Clove seeds have a very short viability period, typically only 2 to 3 weeks. Due to this short viability, seeds should be sown immediately after collection. If storage is necessary, keep seeds in moist sawdust or sand, but use within 5 to 7 days. Germination process. Germination usually occurs within 10 to 15 days. Under optimal conditions, about 70 to 80% of seeds should germinate. Planting cloves. The best time for planting is during the rainy season, typically May to June. This timing ensures adequate moisture for the young plants. Pit preparation. Dig pits about 60 centimeters x 60 centimeters x 60 centimeters. Maintain a distance of 6 to 7 meters between pits. Fill pits with a mixture of topsoil, compost, and burnt earth. Planting process. Plant seedlings when they're about 18 to 24 months old. Plant the seedlings at the same depth they were in the nursery. Water thoroughly after planting and provide shade for the first few weeks. Intercropping. Cloves can be intercropped with coconut, arecanut, black pepper, or coffee. Intercropping can provide additional income and help with soil conservation. Initial care. Regular watering is crucial in the first year, especially during dry spells. Apply organic mulch around the base to retain moisture and suppress weeds. Shield young plants from strong winds and direct sunlight. By following these detailed steps for propagation and planting, you can establish healthy clove trees that will eventually produce high-quality spices. Culinary applications. Savory dishes. Cloves are commonly used in stews, soups, and marinades to add depth and warmth. In Indian cuisine, they are integral to spice blends for dishes like biryanis and curries, enhancing the overall flavor profile. Baked goods. Ground cloves are a key ingredient in many sweet recipes, including gingerbread, pumpkin pie, and spiced cookies. Their warm, aromatic flavor complements other spices and is essential in traditional holiday baking. Beverages. Cloves are often added to spiced teas, coffees, and mulled drinks. A few whole cloves can elevate the flavor of chai tea or hot cider, providing a comforting warmth during colder months. Pickling and preserving. Whole cloves are frequently used in pickling mixtures for vegetables and fruits. They contribute a distinct flavor to the brine, making them a popular choice for pickled cucumbers and spiced fruit preserves. Studding meats. Whole cloves can be studded into hams or roasts before cooking. This technique infuses the meat with clove flavor as it cooks, creating a fragrant and savory dish that is particularly popular during holiday feasts. While clove offers numerous potential health benefits, it's important to note that more research is needed in some areas. Additionally, it should not replace medical treatment for any condition. As with any supplement, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional before adding significant amounts of clove to your diet. 2 cloves daily is recommended.
If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share.